Welcome to the Virtual Planroom. This video is intended to familiarize you with the features of our new Virtual Planroom service. It will take just a few minutes to view. Let's get started. Registration and login. The Virtual Planroom can be accessed from the front pages of your local Builders Exchange. If you're already registered, enter your username, your email address, and your personal password. Do not register again without checking if your email is already assigned to an existing account. You will be asked to select 3 security questions the first time you visit the Virtual Planroom. Your answers to these questions will be used to verify your membership if you forget your password and we need to send a new one. Verify your company profile. Carefully review your company information in each step and make any necessary corrections. Your company profile is listed in the online bid directory, used by owners, design professionals, and other contractors to find qualified companies to bid their projects. Information in your company profile can be changed at any time by clicking on My Account. DeskPad. Each time you log in, you will be taken to the Virtual Planroom DeskPad. The DeskPad is personalized for each user and lists what services your company has access to and the date those services expire. The DeskPad consists of 3 areas. Number 1. Bidding Project Activity Today, in the center of your screen, is the main hub of the site. Number 2, Quick Links, on the left, allows you to set filters to find projects quickly and track changes on those you intend to bid. Number 3, the calendar to your right, illustrates the number of projects bidding and pre-bid meetings scheduled each day. Bidding Project Activity Today. In the center of your DeskPad, you will find a list of regions that comprise your service area, the number of bid opportunities that are currently being reported in each region, and the estimated dollar value of those projects. These regions were determined by analyzing historical data about where members are located and the number of projects they have viewed in adjacent counties. Click on the name of the specific region you are interested in, or on the complete list if you are interested in seeing bid opportunities statewide. This takes you to a complete list of projects that are currently available for bidding. If you know about a project you are interested in bidding, you may enter the name and search for it specifically. Projects appear in order of bid date, but you can sort the columns if you want to see projects by ID, name, or location. Note the icons on the top. This indicates the status of the bidding documents. Not available means plans and specifications are not online and will not be in the future. On order denotes that plans and specs have been requested by the reporting team. Processing means plans and specs have arrived and the document management team is preparing them to be online shortly. Available indicates that plans and specs are online for you to view. You may go to another region quickly by clicking on the region name at the top of the screen. The green plus sign opens a brief description of the project with options to track or hide that project. If you decide to track with email, you will receive an email update each day that indicates changes to the projects you are tracking. If you decide to track without email, the project will appear in Track Projects on the Quick Links tab, located on the left side of your DeskPad, so you can monitor activity throughout the bid cycle. You may hide a project if you are not interested in it and don't want to see it on the project list in the future. Click on the project name to see complete details about the project, including the scope of work and special notes about the project. On the right, you will find project information that outlines key bid details. This includes the Planroom reference number, the bid date and time, the estimated cost and square footage, the owner's reference number, and details about how far along the project is in the bid cycle. The phase indicates whether the project is still in design, actively bidding, or the bid date has passed and the reporting team has noted the apparent low bidders or contract awardee. The status denotes why the project is being published at this time. The reporting team changes the status throughout the bid cycle to note plan arrivals, when bidders are added, or if the bid date has been extended. The project type indicates what kind of construction work is being done, such as an addition, renovation, or new from the ground up construction. The category specifies the intended purpose of the project, such as building a new hotel, office, or healthcare facility. Finally, the last 2 areas indicate whether the project is privately or publicly funded and where plans may be obtained. Note the counter above the project information summary. This indicates the number of companies that have looked at the project and the total number of times the project has been viewed. Click on Visitors to see the visitor list by company type and CSI code. The number of times each company has viewed the projects is in parentheses before the company name. Add your company to the bidders list along with information that pertains to your company or instructions about your bid requirements. You may also remove your company from the bidders list if you decide not to bid the project. Click on Project Alert to notify selected contacts about your interest in the project. Please note, Project Alert is not designed as an invitation to bid solution. If you need such a service, contact your local Builders Exchange for information about our partner, Smart BidNet. Once again, you may decide to track the project with or without email. Now scroll to the tabs on the bottom of the page to see details about the project team, bidders list, and bid documents. The project team lists contact information for the project owner, architect, engineer, and others involved in the bid process. The bidders list is divided according to company type for easy identification of trades that are bidding the project. The H button next to the company name links you to the history of that company, including contact information and types of projects they have bid. Click on the number for a list of specific projects, and click on the name to see details about any of the projects on the list. The next tab, entitled Documents, contains the bid documents, including plans, specifications, and addenda. Note that documents are organized in separate file folders. The number in parentheses indicates the number of files within the folder. Bid documents are named and grouped according to trade type. To navigate back to the project list or the desk pad, simply use the back arrow or follow the breadcrumb links at the top of the page. There are a number of ways to narrow your search for bid opportunities. Search New Projects displays a list of new projects that were entered into the system over the past few days or since the last time you visited the site. Quick Search is designed to help you find bidding information about a specific project or those bidding on a specific day or in a specific location. Area 2, Quick Links. If you would like to search for certain types of projects or certain keywords within the bid documents, go to Search Projects on the Quick Links tab. First, select the project phase you are interested in. If you are looking for projects that are currently available for bidding, we recommend you check Active and on Order. Next, choose the type and categories of work you prefer. You may skip Step 4 if you are interested in projects statewide, or choose your state and narrow your search to specific counties. In Step 5, you may choose to see only projects that are publicly or privately funded, or both. Step 6 allows you to select the size of projects you are interested in seeing. Step 7. All plans and specifications are automatically scanned using optical character recognition software, so you can also search for keywords that pertain to your trade or product. Finally, give your filter a name and save it. You can run the filter for immediate results, and you will receive a nightly bulletin in your email that lists all the projects reported that day from your search criteria. There is no limit on the number of filters you can set up, but we suggest you set broad search criteria and use spelling variations for the best results. Bid documents often contain abbreviations and spelling discrepancies. Area 3, Calendar. The bid calendar indicates bid activity that is scheduled for each day, including the number of projects bidding and pre-bid meetings that will be conducted. Click on the number on the calendar to see a complete list of activity for the day. Click on the project name to see bid details. That concludes your orientation of the Virtual Planroom service. If you have more questions or would like an in-depth tutorial for your staff, please contact our Member Services team to schedule a private webinar. Thank you for your membership, and welcome to the Virtual Planroom Network.